In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft on laptop without a mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you don't want to use a peripheral like a mouse on your laptop, you will still be able to play games like Minecraft. All that you have to do is choose from one of the two main options to play it. So I'm gonna showcase all of them in this video. So, to start, this is going to work for both Java and Bedrock. So regardless of the version that you have, you will be able to find the most comfortable way to play Minecraft. So all that you have to do is open the game, and if you just want to use your laptop without any sort of external peripherals, the best course of action will be to use the trackpad. The trackpad will act as a mouse, and alongside the keyboard, you will be able to perform all actions in game. So you have the keyboard actions, and you have the mouse actions that can be performed with the trackpad. So primarily looking around, moving your camera, attacking, right-clicking, and so on. And of course, you can consider using a controller. Keep in mind that controller support is only natively available on Bedrock Edition. On Java, you will have to use mods if you want to use a controller, but for Bedrock, you can connect it and use it essentially as both the keyboard and the mouse, so you will do all sorts of actions. Alternatively, if you don't like these solutions or you don't want to use the trackpad, there is an option on Windows which actually allows you to use your keyboard to move your camera, so essentially it is going to act as the keyboard. You will have to bind other buttons to place and break blocks, but as you can see, you can enable this option under the accessibility category. Mouse keys. Use your numeric numpad to move your mouse pointer. So essentially, you will be able to use these keys here to look up, down, diagonally, to the left, and so on. Of course, some people might not prefer to play like this, but if you want to use keyboard only, this is an actual consideration that you can make. Just enable this option and you will be able to use your mouse, or rather your keyboard only, to play Minecraft. So choose whichever solution you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft on laptop without mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.